Well, you've decided that you want to create an income generating website, and Solo Build It seems like a pretty good choice. So, how easy is it to build a page with Solo Build It? Really? Once you've followed the unique Solo Build It action guide and discovered that your topic is something that visitors will be interested in, and, of course, that you'll be able to make money from it for years and years to come, the next step is to register your domain name. Don't let other providers tell you that you should do it first. It's a critical mistake. Your preparation is the foundation to your success. Anyway, once you've done all of this, the Solo Build It technical team will have made the process of actually building a page on your new site incredibly easy. They do all the heavy lifting, so you don't have to. As a result, everything goes together like, well, Lego blocks. Here's what you do. Let's create a page about creating video. After following the Solo Build It action guide and the brainstorming tools, I know that this page is going to fit the focus of my site perfectly. The first thing we create is the page address. This is usually made up of a keyword, but it doesn't have to be. A keyword is a word or group of words that we know has plenty of people searching for information and not too much competition. This is usually determined by using the unique Solo Build It Brainstormer module. This is completely different and far more relevant than the free services such as the Google AdWords tool that also exist. Next, I then add the title because every page needs a title. Then a description, which tells a potential visitor a bit more about the page. Here's a description that I prepared earlier. Note that the system automatically tells you if you have more than the recommended number of characters in your description. A quick edit and it's fixed. There are other steps too, but that's enough for now, and it will certainly get you ready to build your page. So far, I've covered the basic preliminary steps that you will do with your new page. Each step is telling the search engines what the page is about and helping it to be found by people who are searching for your information. Once done, it's time for a headline. This is like the main banner on a newspaper. Remember them? And should include your keyword. Here's my main headline. Done. Note that the headline block was already in position. It comes pre-built on the page because it is so important. In website language, it's called an H1, and the size of the font is often larger than anything else on the page. Next, you'd add your first paragraph of text. This first text block is also already waiting for you, and the text can be typed on the page or pasted in. Here's one I prepared earlier. Are you ready to add a picture? Simply drag and drop. We'll figure out where to put it in a moment. Next, we're going to add a subheading. Once again, drag and drop. And here's my new subheading. Note that the text size in this case is slightly smaller than the main headline. This is called an H2, which is used for major subheadings. The size of the H2 and the H1 and many other aspects of your page are built into the site design. They're part of the template that you're using to create the website. Yep, that's right. You don't have to be good at website building to create a great look. And you don't have to buy any software or use any external plugins. It's all built in. Having said that, you can change the design as much as you like, but that's a completely different conversation for another video. Once you've added your subheadline, you can add more text. How? You guessed it, drag and drop. You can keep adding text and images and any number of features that support the purpose of your page. Here's just one example of the thousands and thousands that I could show you. Now, what are we going to do about the position of that image? I'm not really happy with it where it is. I'd prefer to see it at the top. How do we do that? Drag and drop. Simple. And that is basically how you create a page in Solo Build It. It's simple because Solo Build It has made it so. Why? Because our focus is on enabling you to create the best income-producing website that you possibly can. That's why we have so much focus on your education, even for beginners, terrific community support from like-minded people, and as you can see, a completely secure and safe website builder. You can discover and meet a smorgasbord of Solo Build It clients by visiting our YouTube channel. Each has created their own successful online business. While you're there, please subscribe to the YouTube channel so you'll be kept up to date when we release new videos. I look forward to seeing your site up there too, soon.